Alright. New hairstyle. I don't know if I should have cut it or not. Why am I not in focus? I'm here. Okay, you're focusing. I think I preferred when it was there, but it will grow back. This morning I'm going for a bike ride. Nothing fancy. I will get more into details later in another video that I have planned. But basically I just want to get used a bit more to riding my bike. And I want to be more confident on the bike. So I'm just going to get some kilometers this morning. I will go up to Saint-Grégoire. But maybe I will push a little bit and go to Béton, but I am not sure. I'm just going very lightweight. I'm not taking this camera, the Lumix S5. I will just go with my little GoPro and my phone, obviously. Yeah, so that's what's happening this morning. It's actually more comfortable with the short hair. Short hair, you're like more ready for like sports and stuff. And also you need less shampoo when you're traveling. Donkeys. Yeah, so today it's really not about the distance, it's not about anything really. It's just about having a good time and gaining some confidence on the bike. I'm not sure I like the wide thing. I usually use the linear mode, but let's try the wide mode for today, for this morning. And I will see if I like it or not. I have this little flap so I can throw the GoPro in. I have to say, a bike is just so much, it's so pleasant. I'm basically sitting and it's practically driving itself. It's not really that convenient though to film myself. Right now it's okay with the little tripod, the little Gorilla Action tripod, I think, on the GoPro. I can just hold it, and I'm holding the handlebar of the bike. But that is fine actually. That is actually easier than I expected. Let me try to show you the road. So we are nearly 3 kilometers. That is actually easier than I thought. That's really like a picnic, a walk in the park. Just sitting there on the bike doing its thing. It's not the e-bike, by the way. So I still have to make a little bit of effort, but the ratio between effort and result is much nicer on the bike. It's just so much faster and easier. I'm sort of having fun trying to go fast even though there are people, but like I could be way slower and just chill and still be fast. Now the test will be to see how these shots are. Like right now it looks fine. And like I can't really bother with the big Lumix S5 while riding the bike. And the GoPro just looks super fine and it's stabilized, you know what I mean? So like what I'm worried about is sort of the sound, because I want to talk to the camera, but there is the sound of the bike, the wheels, especially if I'm holding the GoPro next to the handlebar. Look at this view, man, that's just so chill to be on the bike, just sitting nicely. I'm just going to say bike 1,000 times, but I'm just really enjoying myself right now. So yeah, I really need to ride more. Very nice. 6 kilometers. I am enjoying life way too much right now. That was Saint-Grégoire, by the way, so I've gone past Saint-Grégoire. About the sunglasses, by the way, they are great for all weather. I caught a fly in my eye earlier, but they are great for, like, if it's raining, you don't catch the rain in your eyes, or if it's sunny, obviously, they get darker. Great sunglasses. Little break. So do I continue that way towards Béton, or do I go right towards some fields and then a big park and then home? I'm a little bit warm first. It is 11:38. Wow, my back is completely wet, like straight out the shower. But I'm feeling fine and I have water and snacks. So I think I want to try to go up to Béton. Just gonna have a little snack. Okay, ready to go after the little snack. Always carry snacks with you, even when you are going for a walk. You never know. 7:77, beautiful. I've never been actually that far. Usually after the écluse I always turn right or I go back, so I've never been that far. Nearly 10 kilometers. And 10. Nice. Le Gacé. Another écluse. I think it's a canal lock, if I remember correctly in English. But now you know that in French it's écluse. Still so much fun, starting to be more tired, but I have water and a lot of snacks. That is fine. Look at this little path, so cute. I've come to realize that even if I want to buy a sandwich when I arrive in Béton, first it's Sunday, so most of the things will be closed, and I don't even have my wallet, just took snacks and water. It is really dark, but still no rain. I do have a waterproof jacket just in case. So pretty. Still a good way to go. I think it's starting to rain a little bit, just a little bit. Nearly at the center of Béton. It is raining now. Look at the sky. So dark. I am nearly at the center of Béton, and I would turn around. I'm still going a little bit, and I would turn around when I arrived at the center, sort of. My butt hurts so much. Yeah, I had forgotten that was the problem with the bike. Everything is fine, except when your butt hurts. Nice little bridge. Ah, j'ai mal aux fesses. I've never been to that town before, actually, so that's a great opportunity. I don't really want to get in the streets. I just want to like turn around somewhere. Maybe on the way back I'll ride on the other side of the river. That would be great. There is some sort of market on the other side. That's really nice. Look at the little boats too. And I can see some sort of church in the background. Let me see it. Very nice. Oh my god. Why? Oh. My legs are done. I can't walk. Alright, so I'm on the other side. I'm just going to push the bike because there is a market. Hey, petit marché. Elle a couché. Allez, c'est parti. I'm going back the same way I came from, but on the other side of the river, just to switch things up a little bit. And yeah, when I will arrive, you know, the path a bit after Saint-Grégoire, which was going to the fields, I think I will take this way. it will be longer, but just I don't want to have to go back all the way. And then the path at the Saint-Martin, the Prairie Saint-Martin, would be going up, 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 all the way back home. And I don't like going up, up, up. So I prefer longer rather than shorter and going up. So that's what we're doing. Ooh, a little bridge. That's gonna hurt my ass. Oh yeah, that's not bad. That's okay. For the hundredth time today. It is so nice. And the weather isn't even good. But at least I'm not too warm. That runner was going so fast. Just absolutely following me. I just had to go faster, you know, because I'm on a bike. I think that's the same person again. She caught up to me and she passed me. So fast. Saint-Grégoire, 5 kilometers away, Rennes 10, that way. I might actually cross that bridge, cross back on the other side so that I'm on the right side. I'm wondering if maybe instead of just going back, I will go on an adventure like in the field just to see how it is. I'll try this. What do I have to lose? Yeah, okay, let's try this. The little roads of the countryside are just way too beautiful, and the big road is just nearby, but there are always some like small roads, just so nice. I kind of want a little snack. I don't know what's the policy on snacks when you're riding bikes, but I just enjoy the snacks. And also it's 1 p.m. and I've just had one coffee this morning, except for the snacks. It's not a bike path, actually. Ooh, can I go there? So I should be allowed to, normally. But to be honest, I've never taken such a big, fast road, you see what I mean? Like, it's not the highway, I know that, but still it's a big one. And that's not the nicest path to ride on. I do not like this. I'm trying to see if there are some alternative paths, but not really. I'm just going to take it and hope for the best. I will put the camera away so that I have both hands on my handlebar actually, and not on the phone like the guy before me. That was actually alright. It was a little bit weird to be on that really big road with cars going like super fast. But they did leave like the appropriate distance between me and their car, so that was fine. And yeah, today is not a competition or anything. It was about mostly having a good time, getting more confidence on the bike. So I think that was part of it, trying new things. I had never been on a big road like this with super fast cars. So, you know, that's part of the process. Good thing I tried it. $22 and something, which is, for me, that's a lot. But I know that for people who ride, that's like nothing. Like 100 kilometers for some people is just nothing. But that was nice. And that's not finished. I'm so exhausted. That was a very nice ride though. 25 kilometers. And it's 2 p.m. So that was a nice ride. I am so tired. I feel like biking is a bit treacherous because you're sitting and you feel like everything is going fine, but then at some point it's just like flam. and then you're completely dead and like you can't walk and your legs are dead. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you enjoy riding your bike too. Let me know like your impression, your feelings, what kind of distance you do, these sort of things. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow for the next video. Bye!